Hey, it's Jason at Hard Money Bankers with your Private Money Minute. The Rule of 72 is probably one of the most fascinating personal finance and math tips that I've ever heard. Like 10 years ago, I learned about the Rule of 72 after finishing Warren Buffett's book, The Snowball. I highly recommend it. Great book. But in essence, you take the interest rate of return, you divide it by 72, and it tells you how long it takes to double your money. So, for instance, let's say you get a 7.2% interest rate return on your investments. You divide that by 72, every 10 years, you're doubling your money, right? It's interesting and it's fascinating. So anytime I invest in anything or put my money to work, I try to figure out how long I want it to take to double the money. So I try to shoot for at least a 14% interest rate return, meaning every 5 years if I double my money. So if I put $100,000 in right now, I get a 14% interest rate return, right? With compound interest, I keep reinvesting those proceeds. In 5 years from now, my 100 turns into 200. So have fun with it, get creative with it, be obsessed with it. And it's really interesting.